All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how I record my microphone and the system audio, internal audio, or the computer audio sounds on separate tracks in high quality easily, whether you're on a Mac or a PC. This is so easy, no OBS, none of this like complicated setups that take forever. Okay, so I'm using Podsplice to do this to record. So now you're going to see, you're looking at my YouTube screen, and now you can see my face in the corner. Clearly, you can hear my audio. Now, before I play the system audio, this is what an edited track in Pod or an unedited recording in Podsplice looks like. So you can see the 4 separate tracks here at the bottom. So I have my screen recording. This is for another video. I have the full webcam, right? And that's why at the beginning of this, you could see my full face. I decided to put it like that at the beginning. Now you just see me in the corner. This is my microphone audio. I could download, edit, fix that if I want on one separate track. And then this is the system audio. So sound if I was sharing like a reaction video, sharing my like a YouTube video or TikTok or whatever, sharing my screen with sound, and you can see the audio there. Now, most of it I was just talking, so that's why you can see all this here. And then I was not talking, or I was not playing the video much, just like I haven't played it so far. But now, if you want to hear this here's a video I made yesterday. So now listen to the sound of this video. Watch. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how I take my YouTube videos that I make for affiliate marketing to promote those products and services and then write articles. Okay, so that was me talking in the video yesterday. So then what you would see is that audio from me talking yesterday would be recorded on a separate track. So if it's too quiet, or if I don't like it, or if someone runs around upstairs during my microphone audio, I can edit that separately. And a lot of screen recorders, they don't even record system audio at all. So the video would be quiet. That's what Canva does in a lot of them. And another problem is they'll bake it in low quality in one file. So my mic audio and then the audio coming from a YouTube video I play back. Best case scenario is to be merged into one track, and then I can't separate it, can't edit it. It's very low quality sound. So that's all you need to do with Podsplice. So let me just show you how it would look like if you're going to do this. So if I do start new recording, actually, no, this is, watch this. I'll just go to Podsplice just so you can see how it is. Okay, so I'd go to start recording here, click here. If I'm already signed in, it's a great deal right now, $14.50 a month. Watch this. So if I click reaction video, that would do that. All you have to do is click entire screen, make this also share system audio, right? And that is really it. And then you can go into settings here and you choose your camera, your microphone, the resolution for the thumbnail, which is your webcam, just from the drop down. That is it. And then everything's automatically recorded in separate tracks. It's automatically high quality. And if you didn't like the quality, you just go to camera controls, audio settings. But these are super easy. And the only reason you'd ever lower the quality, like if you have a super terrible internet, a really cheap computer, and you're just showing your face in the corner, you might do a low thumbnail resolution just to speed it up a little bit. But most of this, you can just choose the high settings all the time. It's very easy, and the defaults are really good. And then that is it. And you've recorded your microphone audio, as you can tell, in high quality. Now, this audio, this is a $25 microphone. That's it. Just like a no-name brand off Amazon. 25 Canadian dollars. The webcam is like, honestly, about the same price. This is not a good studio that I have set up, but it sounds good because Podsplice is making it sound good. And then the system audio also sounds like that. So we've worked really hard at getting the quality up for this and the ease of use. Both of these are very easy. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Check it out, podsplice.com. I know you're going to really like this one.